Meaning of humiliate.
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 Humiliate. The word humiliate means to cause someone to feel ashamed, embarrassed or disrespected, especially in public. The result of humiliation can be extremely damaging to a person's self-esteem and can lead to long-lasting emotional scars. Humiliation can manifest in various forms such as insults, public shaming, belittling, ridicule, or even physical abuse. The victim of humiliation may feel powerless, worthless, and exposed to intense feelings of shame. It can also result in social exclusion, loss of respect, and can negatively impact the victim's personal and professional relationships.